In this video, I'm about to show you what is good about COSRX products. COSRX, a highly popular Korean skincare brand known for its simple yet effective formulas that focus on skin health without unnecessary additives. One of the biggest reasons people love COSRX is its use of minimal ingredients that are gentle on the skin, making its product ideal for sensitive, acne-prone, and oily skin types. The brand is best known for products like the advanced Snail 69 Mucin Power Essence, which deeply hydrates, repairs the skin barrier, and improves overall skin texture. Another favorite is the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid, which helps clear clogged pores, reduce blackhead, and control excess oil without causing irritation. The lower pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser is also widely loved for its ability to cleanse the skin effectively while maintaining a balanced pH level, preventing dryness and breakouts. COSRX is also committed to being cruelty-free and avoid harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. The brand's affordability combined with its dermatologist-approved formulas makes it a good choice for people looking for simple, science-backed skincare that delivers results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.